Dr. Frank Schallenberger's Second Opinion, the Independent Thinker's Guide to Health and Wellness. It's no secret that antibiotic resistance is an ever-growing problem. Dr. Frank Schallenberger has been recommending that his readers use antibiotics sparingly for years, as overuse is a major contributor to this crisis we've created. Now, new research is confirming that this was good advice, and not just because of the resistance issue. It turns out that antibiotics may actually make the body less able to defend itself from invaders, and they may do this while making the enemy even stronger. Here's what the latest research has found. We know that antibiotics were supposed to partner with the immune system to fight infections, but a study recently published in Cell Host Microbe indicates that this isn't a very promising partnership. It's more like a hostile takeover. According to this study, exposure to antibiotics can actually make immune cells less able to kill bacteria, while making the biochemical environment of the body more favorable for invading bacteria. To determine this, researchers infected mice with E. coli and then gave them the antibiotic ciprofloxacin in doses comparable to what humans would take. They then examined the mice's tissue for changes and found that ciprofloxacin actually caused the mice's cells to release metabolites that increased E. coli's resistance to the antibiotic. What's more, the antibiotic weakened the immune cells' respiratory activities, making them less able to fight the E. coli on their own. As you can imagine, these changes are quite counterproductive. While it's certainly important to fight infection, you want a treatment option that will work with your immune system, not against it. That's why Dr. Schallenberger prefers ozone therapy, an oxidative therapy that inactivates and destroys toxins by breaking them down into harmless carbon dioxide in water. If you contract an infection, he recommends seeking out a doctor near you who practices oxidative medicine rather than popping another round of antibiotics. You can find one by visiting the website for the American Academy of Ozone Therapy at www.aaot.us. Also, he recommends that if you haven't done it already, get a copy of his book, The Ozone Miracle, at Amazon. It details how you can generate and use ozone at home without the need for a doctor. Of course, the very best way to handle an infection is to avoid getting one in the first place. To do this, you will need a strong immune system. Another reason you want to stay away from the vicious cycle antibiotics can create. All the standard healthy living advice applies to keeping your immune system running smoothly. But to kick things up a notch, he recommends Super Immune Quick Start. This powerful blend of 22 different vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and protein sources truly will partner with your immune system to help it fight infections more effectively. And it won't double-cross you by passing advantages onto your enemy. With infection season coming up, he recommends that you give it a try. Thank you for listening to today's audio newsletter brought to you by Second Opinion. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see future videos. You can also visit us at www.secondopinionnewsletter.com.